In today's video, we're going to talk about stainless steel, welding fumes, and of course, hexavalent chromium. Stainless steel is a prominent material due to its versatility, resistance to corrosion, and durability. It's used in many industries such as the food, medical, construction industries, and so on. It's mainly composed of iron and chromium, but can also have other elements such as nickel, manganese, etc. During the welding process, intense heat is applied to the materials, which leads to their vaporization and creates what we know as the welding fume plumes, which is composed of very fine particles and gases. Those fumes can be inhaled and penetrate the lung tissues deeply. Notably, chromium can be transformed into hexavalent chromium because of the heat, and this is the most infamous dangers when it comes to stainless steel welding fumes. Short term, hexavalent chromium can irritate and damage the eyes, skin, and the respiratory system. But the main danger is long term. Hexavalent chromium has been categorized as a human carcinogen by the ACGIH, and there is evidence linking it to lung cancer, among other things. But of course, there are other dangers as well in stainless steel welding fumes because of the nickel, the manganese was responsible for manganism, iron was responsible for siderosis, silicon, etc. But like I said, hexavalent chromium is really going to be our #1 focus when it comes to protecting welders. In the US, the exposure limit in the welder's breathing zone is going to be 5 micrograms per cubic meters, which is really low. In Canada, we're talking about 0.2 to 10 micrograms per cubic meter, depending on your location. To protect welders against those risks, there are two main strategies. The first one, which is not always possible, is to try to work with a steel that has less chromium in it. But our main line of defense is going to be welding fume extractors. If you're welding MIG or flux core, you're going to want to use a fume extraction MIG gun. And for every other process, such as TIG, stick, etc., you can use a fume extraction arm. If you want to know more about stainless steel welding fumes, we wrote a blog post. I'm going to put the link in the description below. You can also come and join us in one of our free webinars we give every week. Same thing, I'm going to put the link in the description below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.